Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete Google account or how to delete account from Google. So I will show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's jump into my mobile. So guys, here you can see this is my Android phone, and in order to delete Google account, so there is a many ways you can delete account from your phone. So first you have to go in Gmail application and just open the Gmail application, and here if you click on it, your profile photo, you will see all your Gmail email ID. If you have many email ID login in your device, you can see here. So if you have only one email ID, so if you want to switch, you can click, by clicking you can switch the email ID. So I just switch this one, so it will be come up when I click on. So now you have to click on manage your Google account. So it will be bring you to the Google account page, which is will show the all details of you. So now just, so guys, here you have to go into data and privacy, click on it and just scroll down, and first option you see in download or delete your data in delete Google service. So if you want to delete service, Google service, like if you want to keep your Google account, you want to delete YouTube or Gmail, you can delete it. Okay, so you can delete individual service of Google by clicking on it. So if I click on it, so this will be ask your current password. So type your current password here. After you enter password, just click on next. So now here you can see I have two account with Google. I'm using two service of Google, which is first YouTube or another Gmail. So I can delete it and keep my Google account, and delete the other services like YouTube and Gmail. You can delete from clicking this trash icon. Okay, so if you want to delete all Google account, entire Google account, just come back and scroll down, and here you can see delete your Google account. Click on it, and again you have to enter your current password. Just click next. Now you have to acknowledge. Okay, so here you can see all services, your videos and all, calendar, contacts, application. Okay, you have to tick both, and you can delete, click on delete account. So it will be delete. It will be delete after 48 hours, or maybe it will take long time. So just click on delete, it will be delete. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe me. Thank